don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by the most dangerous number.
How are you, my leadership?
I'm good, my leader.
Steve.
Matsobani.
Hola, Steve.
Sure, Steve.
Ore.
Akimnati.
Wait. Yo, I tabile tata man.
Tabile, sister.
Yeah. The wheel 3 points ake robone le wena. Nenzilo obvious. So, ka spedi bare Sekhukhune se bona ke se bataladi. Wa itse se bataladi ke? Ke Sekhukhune. Sundowns pila pila. E boneng Sekhukhune sona se lebe se nyonyo ba se reseta re bolai. Wa bona? Yeah, so re ba shapile o pila pila. Ene ke le bua le saleng at least nyana touching yana high at least e leadile to go. Wa bona? Yeah. So ke re ai wa itse le shashalaza FC de ke la le bona.
Yeah.
O ba itse re bo shashalaza ke boma. Shaba 87 it's
the most dangerous number. It's the most dangerous number. It's the most dangerous number.
Steve, I don't want to lie.
Yeah, my leader.
I want to give the credit to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Show leadership.
So especially Adams.
Show leadership.
For that guy to start,
yeah.
He did play well.
The quality.
So I want to give message to Mudau.
Yeah.
Mudote is senior player.
Yes, leadership.
But the problem is he is using the hand.
Yes.
Push.
Too much. Yes.
And today they must supposed to get for red card.
Yeah.
He's talking too much.
True, my leader.
Too much.
Yes.
You see?
Yeah.
So I'm happy about Salim.
Very happy.
Very, very happy.
Very happy.
Even Renas.
Yeah.
You see in the short range.
Yeah.
For that goal, I think maybe they're gonna be the goal of the season.
Yeah.
Short range.
Yeah.
I like for the way he play.
Yes.
I just want to give Mamelodi Sundowns, even if it's a rubber start.
Yeah.
They did play well.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, I don't want to lie.
Yes.
So now the league.
Yeah.
I think maybe Sundowns and Pirates they must fighting.
Yeah.
For us, Kaizer Chiefs, we're out.
You're out.
We're out. We understand. For now, we're fighting only position for number 3.
Yeah.
So we can play the CAF Confederation Cup.
Yeah.
You see.
Yeah.
So on Tuesday, we were going to Eben.
Yes.
We are going to play with Richard Bay.
Yes, my leader.
So for today's table, I'm celebrating 41 games attendance.
Yeah.
Champagne Matsoba Fit. Attendance.
There's a new record.
Yes, it's a new record, but I'm still going.
Yeah.
I'm still going.
Yeah.
So it's meet on Tuesday.
Yes.
I'm gonna make 42.
Yeah.
Eben.
Yeah.
You see.
Wednesday again.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
But it is complimentary.
I'm compliment.
Thank you, leadership.
Before we catch them.